Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to contact PayPal support. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com, or of course go and download the application on Google Play Store or the App Store. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to PayPal if you already do not have an account. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see, here we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help options, and we have the sender requests and other options down here, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and contact PayPal support. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it. First of all, in the upper tab, where you have these 5 options, you just need to go and click on the help option. So not home, not send, not wallet, not activity, but click on the help option. Click there. And then here you can see help center, personal account. Of course, you can search for questions or keywords or topics. You can put your topics, so payment and transfers, distribution and limitations, my account, my wallet, login and security, seller tools, and as you can see, have a lot of options that you can go and choose from here. Of course, where you can go and choose your issue. And that's basically how you can go and contact the support. You can also go and click contact us to contact them directly, or go to the message center. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.